Today, we're diving deep into the ancient philosophy of Stoicism and exploring how you can become undefinable. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, teaches us resilience, inner peace, and the strength to face life's challenges with grace. But what does it mean to become undefinable through Stoicism? At its core, Stoicism revolves around four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues guide our actions and decisions, helping us live a life of purpose and meaning. Imagine you're facing a difficult situation at work. Your project deadline is looming, and you're overwhelmed with tasks. Here's where Stoicism steps in. First, let's talk about wisdom. Wisdom is about understanding what we can control and what we cannot. In this scenario, you can't control the deadline, but you can control your effort and attitude. This is known as the dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control: your actions, your responses, your mindset. Next, courage. Courage is the ability to face our fears and challenges head-on. It's about taking action despite uncertainty and discomfort. Approach your tasks with courage, break them down into manageable steps and tackle them one by one. Justice is about fairness and doing the right thing, even when it's difficult. Ensure your actions are fair and just, not only to others but also to yourself. Remember, being fair to yourself means setting realistic expectations and not overburdening yourself. Finally, temperance. Temperance is about self-control and moderation. It's about finding balance in all aspects of life. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By embodying these virtues, you become resilient, adaptable, and, ultimately, undefinable. Life's challenges no longer define you, you define how you respond to them. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless, it's about mastering your emotions. It's about finding peace within, regardless of external circumstances. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on living a meaningful and fulfilling life. And remember, you have the power to become undefinable.